I am Eric Hallis, and for the second part of the Sports Around the World, I picked the World Baseball Classic. So, a little bit of history behind it. It is the premier international baseball tournament. It is sanctioned by the World Baseball Softball Confederation, or otherwise shortened as the WBSC. It is operated as a joint venture between the MLB and the MLB Players Association. It features the best players in the world competing for their home countries and territories. A little more history behind it. More than 2.4 million fans from all over the world attend the games. In March of 2006, Japan had won. March 2009, Japan had won. March 2013, Dominican Republic had won. And this past World Baseball Classic, the United States won. It is played every 4 years. They have round robin, like pools, before you actually go into the seedings and pool play shown in the picture on the right. So, there are three main governing bodies that help the World Baseball Classic: the World Baseball Softball Confederation, the WBSC, the MLB, and the MLB Players Association. So the frequency and locations for this World Baseball Classic, it happens every 4 years. Yes, from 2006 to 2009 is not 4 years, but after that little gap, they changed it to every 4 years. So the next one will be in 2021. Some of the locations are Dodger Stadium out in Los Angeles, Petco Park in San Diego, the Tokyo Dome, and Marlins Park in Florida. So some of the size and the scope of this World Baseball Classic, the overall viewership for the 2017 World Baseball Classic was up 32% over the one held in 2013. It drew over 2.3 million viewers on the MLB Network for the finals, which was the United States versus Puerto Rico. With ESPN Deportes and ESPN2, 3.1 million people watched it. And the finals were USA versus Puerto Rico. MLB Network registered their most watched week for that channel from March 6th to March 12th, and 70% of Puerto Rico's TVs tuned into the finals, 67% tuned into the game against Mexico on the 11th, and 59% tuned into the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico game on the 14th for third place. Size and scope continued. The attendance, they drew a crowd of 1,086,720 throughout the whole World Baseball Classic, an increase of 23% from 2013. The crowd for the championship game in Dodger Stadium was 51,565, which they were surprised because it had rained the night before and they had rain in the forecast for the day of. Merchandise, the World Baseball Classic merchandise on MLBShop.com went up 50% from 2013, and ballparks saw a rise of 15% in all revenues for food and merchandise and everything. Revenues for the whole World Baseball Classic were over $1 million total dollars. Some of the profiles of the players, they can be any professional baseball player in any of the baseball leagues around the world, and the countries pick players who were born in the country to represent their country in the World Baseball Classic. As you can see to the right, the 2017 USA roster, all of those players played on Major League Baseball teams, and they range in all shapes and sizes. Spectators came from all over the world to watch the World Baseball Classic. Spectators could range from children with parents to go watch baseball to parents of some of the players watching in the stands, and a wide range of people attended those games. Media coverage, major coverage, the MLB Network, the MLB TV, and ESPN Deportes. Other countries had their own home coverage stations to tune into, like some of them were ESPN specific for that country or nation or even region that they were in. Some of the sponsorships are a Swiss luxury watch brand called Hublot, a video game developer called Gung Ho, a Japanese logistics firm Nippon Express, and a financial services company Nomura Securities. Licensing, it's the same as the MLB. Most of the teams had issued gear that you could buy. Well, they would be replicas, but they could range from hats, jerseys, shirts, sweatshirts, socks, shoes, whatever you would like to purchase, most likely. Um, some of the past champions, 2006 was Japan, with Cuba coming in second, South Korea in third, and the Dominican Republic in fourth. In 2009, Japan came in first, South Korea came in second, Venezuela came in third, and the United States came in fourth. 2013, the Dominican Republic won, Puerto Rico in second, Japan in third, and the Netherlands in fourth. And then the past World Baseball Classic, the USA won, beating Puerto Rico in the finals, Japan came in third, and the Netherlands came in fourth. And these are my references. Thank you.